Hello everyone, welcome to Manari TV.
Thank you, Benson, for tonight. I had so much fun at the party, the dance, and now we're here for dinner. I enjoyed myself thoroughly. Thank you.
You're welcome. Well, I enjoyed myself too. Especially the part of the guys eyeing and ogling at you like hungry lions. My baby was the most beautiful girl at the club today.
No, I don't believe that. No. I'm not the most beautiful girl with a ton of ladies in there. No.
Well, I didn't see any other. But it's okay for you to try to be modest. But you all know, and I know, that God brought you to this world to light up this world, especially mine.
Oh, thank you so much for being a part of my life. You're just an awesome, wonderful man. Thank you.
Well, thank you. Thank you for everything.
Hey. Surprise, right?
Sure.
I decided to come surprise you because you know you've been a very patient with you tonight.
Excuse me. Bessie, what's going on here? I'm talking to you.
Who is she? Benson, you brought in another woman this night? When you just dropped me an hour ago.
No. It's not like that.
So, I stooped so low, reduced myself to your level just to be with you, and you do me like this? You do me like this? What a man loves a woman. What a man loves a woman. Just a love and dream. I don't think I understand what you mean by that.
What I'm trying to say is, you are 2 weeks pregnant.
Excuse me?
Yes, you are 2 weeks pregnant.
And I heard you. You're joking, right?
Joking? How do you expect me to joke with my patient's health?
This has got to be the biggest joke of the century. Please, doctor, if there is any prank camera here, can you just cut them off? I'm not in the mood.
Please, are you sure you used her blood for the test, or you mistakenly used someone else's?
I don't understand what you both are talking about. This is one of the best medical facilities in this city. Moreover, I have been Lucia's private doctor for over 4 years. And you know I do not joke with my job.
I cannot be pregnant, doctor.
Exactly.
You were right, doctor. I am truly pregnant.
Of course I know I was right. Did you go get tested somewhere else?
Yes, and all the symptoms and signs of how I've been feeling all checks that I am pregnant.
Good. It means you have to start your antenatal classes, and so you'll be able to take good care of yourself.
I cannot be pregnant.
Excuse me?
I cannot be pregnant, doctor. I mean it when I said to you that I haven't had sex in over a year. So how is that even possible that I'm pregnant? Or is it that I've been pregnant for over a year and it's just manifesting now? No?
I don't think I understand what you're saying.
Yes, because I actually read it somewhere on paper. Yeah, somewhere. That it happened somewhere in Europe. That a woman got pregnant and then it manifested after 2 years.
I want to ask you a question and I want you to be 100% honest with me.
Okay, shoot. Whatever it is, I will say the truth. No gimmick.
When was the last time you had sex relation?
Excuse me?
You heard me. When was the last time you had sex with her?
What kind of a question?
Oh, please just answer the question.
Did Lisha send you to ask me this kind of crazy question when she knows we've not had sex for over 6 months that we've been dating?
No, you cannot go. Please.
Please, let me through.
Oga, calm down. Look, to avoid embarrassment, before it gets to a point where I have to start pushing you out of the gates. Don't.
Embarrassment.
Oga, stay here now.
See, if you lay your hands on me again, I will slap you.
You will slap me?
Yes, I will slap you. If you dare touch me again, I will slap you.
You will slap me?
Read my lips.
You will slap me?
It's okay, what is going on here?
Oh,
He wants to
the
slap
queen
me.
has finally arrived to come and save her slaves. Welcome, queen.
What do you want in my house, Benson? I have told you that I do not want to see you again.
That was when I thought I was the only one capable of committing sin. I didn't know you were a harlot going around sleeping around with different men.
Oga, hey. Say that word one more time now. I'll be the one to slap you. Just say harlot one more time. Harlot one more time now. Say.
If you ever interrupt me again, I will slap you back to your village.
Slap me.
If you ever interrupt me again,
let me
I will slap you out of it.
Let me beat this boy off.
Benson.
Mine should be in the kitchen. Let me check. Ali? Ali? Mine is not in the kitchen.
It's not in the kitchen. The kitchen I'm just coming out from now. So now you are telling me that I'm too old to remember things.
No, ma.
It's alright.
It might be in his room, ma. Let me check.
Switched off. That's unusual. Well, Mama, I'm sure he stepped out to buy something and then he forgot to tell someone at home. No worries, Mama. He will soon be back. Uncle Obed.
Lisha. Mama Lisha. What do I owe this special?
Where is Ali?
Ali? Which Ali?
Uncle Obed, I am not here to play games with you. I know Ali is here because you are the only relative he has in this town. And you stood in as a shorty for him when I employed him. So where is he?
I don't know where he is. What is the problem?
Ali disappeared into thin air. And I promise you, if you do not provide Ali, I will make sure I get you arrested and leave you in custody until you do.
Mr. Obed, where is your nephew? Where is he?
Let me know what he has done first. What is the problem?
I am pregnant. And Ali is responsible.
That's not possible.
Excuse me?
You heard me. Ali cannot make a woman pregnant.
I said it.
Hello! Ali is not impotent. Lisha, Ali told me everything that happened. Ali can't, make any woman pregnant. Yeah, because he is living under a curse from the village. Yeah, that happened because he got a girl pregnant, and the girl committed suicide because Ali could not, afford the traditional rights that the family imposed on him. And so the family gathered together and laid a curse on him that he would never make a woman pregnant. Whatever he tried to do, he will never be get a woman pregnant. That was 7 years ago.
And yes, they killed her. Yeah, they made the woman that I loved kill herself. Mounted so much pressure on me. Made too many demands. And when I did not yield, they placed a curse on me for nothing. Madam, listen, I understand how this looks. And I'm sorry. I tried. I tried to.
Ali? 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 Just come back. Come back here. Did you walk away with me? Did you walk out of me?
Not at all, madam. I thought you were sleeping.
A-L-L-I. Ali?
Madam.
Be careful. Where's my drink?
Madam, your drink is upstairs in your room. Can I just take you there?
Okay,
Yes.
in my room, right? Do you place it at the side?
Yeah, it's just by the side of your bed upstairs. If you just allow me to take you.
Easy.
Okay,
Are you gonna be a gentleman?
madam. Yes, madam.
So you take the first hand, and then the second.
Alright, easy. Madam, watch your leg.
Okay, let's go.
Ah, madam! Madam! Excuse you, madam.
Yeah, Ali, come here. I don't know what must have happened that night because I totally forgot everything until I read your note. And then I began to recall every single thing that happened that night. You did not rape me. In fact, I seduced you and made you sleep with me.
I remember, madam. I remember everything. I remember. But I still don't think that I'm responsible for the child that you are carrying, because I haven't been with a woman for the longest. I have made conscious efforts to stay away from women because of the curse. I mean, to what end?
Listen to me. I don't know what your village people must have done or what curse you think they must have laid on you, or if you believe that. But I tell you that that curse has been broken because of this child that I carry. You are the father of this child, Ali.
But madam,
There are no buts, Ali. You see, I've always wanted a home where I and the father of my kids can stay together and raise children as a happy family.
Truth is, from the moment I felt I could be responsible for the child that you're carrying, I ran. Yes, I ran because I was ashamed of myself and I did not want to be a source of shame to you. Because you have been good to me for all the years that I worked for you, Madam. You were nothing short of excellent.
So you ran. You ran to leave me with our child.
Sorry.
I want you to stay.
You want me to stay?
Yes. I want you to stay so we can make this work. Stay, please. Let's make this work.
Okay.